Hello everyone, welcome to Finizy Azure. Today we are going to talk about ADF pipeline through Event Grid. So our thought here is we will invoke our ADF pipeline through Event Grid. So let's go ahead. So let me take you to Azure portal. Here I have already created a Event Grid topic which is my custom topic, and we have a data factory. These two resources I have created. So our thought here is we will invoke ADF pipeline from here. We will invoke our ADF pipeline through event grid like as a subscriber. So all you have to do is to log into Azure Data Factory Studio, create any sample pipeline. Let me create any sample pipeline, give a sample name demo pipeline. I'll just for testing purpose, I will add REST API to just to show you that it got invoked. To do this, I'll be using online webhook. Let's say this webhook site. So this is an open webhook site where you can actually have runtime webhooks. So you can just copy it, go to here to the setting. Let's say here I'll give URL, select post, or maybe get is fine, and everything is fine here. So if whenever I invoke, I'll be getting a request here. So or if you want, we can set it as post as well, saying test from ADF pipeline. So whenever I test from here, I'll be receiving one request like this saying test from pipeline. So our dev ADF pipeline is ready. Let me publish. Let me clean up. Okay, our dev pipeline is ready. Now we will go ahead and use ADFs. For that, we have to use trigger. There is an option we can see under this add trigger. We have new and edit. If you click on it, it will give you an option to choose your trigger. If you click on it, click new, it will give you the type of triggers. It can have schedule, tumbling window, storage events, and custom events. When you select custom events, it will give you the option of maybe you can select auto populated subscription. You can select auto populated event grid topics. Instead, you can also enter your scope manually. So but here as it is already providing auto populating, so I'm selecting this and moving it forward. I'll give it something like, for this event I'll have to give something like copy completed, one more copy succeeded. Okay, so I'll go ahead and I will also give a name saying factory. So anything I can put. So let's say factory, it says publish, I'll be publishing, and yeah, let me validate. Now that is from different. Let me close this window. I'll validate. Yeah, okay, we are good. So let me publish. It's publishing now. Okay, so once it is done, then we will automatically see a one more subscription subscriber here, event subscription basically. So let me refresh. Yes, so this is our new one which we have just created. So let me do a test. So to invoke it, I'll have to use my postman. You can use a PowerShell as well. You can have other resources as well to invoke the event grid events. So while it is opening, let's go ahead and see if it is clean. Yes, our things are published. Yes, we are good. Let me close other window. Yeah. So give it a moment to open my postman. Now, so as you can see, I have this event grid. If I go here, I'll copy the endpoint, open it, go to here, paste my URL. This is by default body. I'm using a by default body which has data, subject, event type, event time, and data version. So let's just first check it whether it actually sends the events or not. So okay, it says 200. Let's go ahead to webhook and see we have received the event. Or yes, so we have received it. Let's try something else. If I go here and let me just change something. Let me say testing, testing. Let's enter again. Okay, we can see other event. So that's how we will use our ADF pipelines. We can invoke it through event grid topics. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.